Good morning, students. In this lecture, we discuss index number. An index number is a statistical measure designed to show changes in a variable or group of related variables with respect to time, geographic location, or other characteristics. ਫੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਕਿ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਅਤੇ ਇਕਨੋਮਿਕ ਡਾਟਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਟਾਈਮ ਟੂ ਟਾਈਮ ਚੇਂਜਸ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ। ਫੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਕਿ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਮੋਡਿਟੀਜ਼ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਲਈ ਕੌਨਸਟੈਂਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ। ਸਮਟਾਈਮਸ ਕੀ ਕੋਮੋਡਿਟੀ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਰਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਸਮਟਾਈਮਸ ਫੋਲ ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਸਿਮਿਲਰਲੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਊਟਪੁੱਟ ਆਫ ਏ ਕੋਮੋਡਿਟੀ ਸਮਟਾਈਮਸ ਰਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਸਮਟਾਈਮਸ ਫੋਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ। The measurement of such changes is possible only by means of some statistical method, and index number are such statistical device which help in the measurement of such changes. In other words, by index numbers we mean the statistical measures with the help of which relative changes in journal price level taking place at different points of time can be measured. Next we discuss methods of constructing index number. Different methods are used in constructing the index number, which from the viewpoint of convenience of study has been represented by the following charts. Methods of constructing index number. टू तरह के मैथड होंगे आ। एक होंगे अनवेटेड जिसनों सिंपल इंडेक्स नंबर भी कहते हैं एंड सेकंड इज वेटेड इंडेक्स नंबर। इसनों अगे टू पार्ट्स विच डिवाइड किया जाता है। फर्स्ट इज सिंपल एग्रीगेट मेथड and second is simple average of price relative methods. वेटेड इंडेक्स नंबर ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ टू पार्ट्स ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ डिवाइड ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। फर्स्ट इज वेटेड aggregate method and second is weighted average of price relative method। वेटेड एग्रीगेट मैथड ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ यूज़ करते हैं ਜਿਹੜੇ फॉर्मूले। फर्स्ट इज लास्पियर्स मैथड, सेकंड पास्चेस मैथड, third is Fisher's, fourth is Durbin and Pauli's method। Fifth is Marshall Edgeworth's method. And sixth is Calais method. Now first we discuss simple or unweighted index number. Simple or unweighted index number are those ones in the construction of which all commodities are given equal importance. There are two methods of their construction. First is simple aggregative method. उसके लिए जरा सी फॉर्मूला यूज़ करते हैं वैस P01 is equal to summation P1 over summation P0 multiply 100. It is the simplest method. In this method, sum of current year ਜਿਹੜਾ 1 ਆ that is current year ਨੂੰ show ਕਰਦਾ and 0 is base year. Sum of current year's price is divided by the sum of base year price and the quotient is multiplied by 100. ਇਸ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਫੋਲੋਇੰਗ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ. ਸੈਕਿੰਡ simple average of price relative method. In this method, first of all, the price relative of the commodity or item are find out. To compute the price relative, price in current year is divided by the price in base year and the quotient is multiplied with 100. That is price relative is equal to current year's price divided by base year's price multiply 100. जैसे लिख सकते हैं P is equal to P1 over P0 multiply 100. After that, using arithmetic average or geometric average or median, we find the average of price relative. When arithmetic mean is used, then the following formula is used. P01 is equal to summation P1 over P0 multiply 100 divided by n, where n is the number of items. Second, when geometric mean is used, then the following formula is used. P01 is equal to anti-log summation log P divided by n, where P किया P ਅਸੀਂ फाइंड आउट करते हैं P1 divided by P0 multiply 100. Third, when median is used, then the following formula is used. P01 is equal to size of n plus 1 over 2. In practice, arithmetic mean is oftenly used. The next is second method to construct index number, that is weighted index number. In constructing simple index number, all commodities are given equal importance, but in practice all commodities does not have equal importance. For example, for a consumer, wheat is more important than vegetables or pulses. Similarly, clothes are more important than a video. To express the relative importance of different commodities, weights on some definite basis are used. When index numbers are constructed, taking into consideration the importance of different commodities, then they are called weighted index number. There are two methods of constructing weighted index number. First is weighted aggregative method. ਇਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਫੋਲੋਇੰਗ ਫਾਰਮੂਲੇਸ ਨੂੰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਫਸਟ ਇਜ਼ last pairs methods. ਇਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, P01 is equal to summation P1 summation P0 ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਆਏਗਾ Q0 ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ 100, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲਾਸਟ ਪੇਅਰ ਆ ਉਹ ਬੇਸ ਈਅਰ ਨਾਲ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਹੈ. Professor Laspere has assigned weight to the commodity on the basis of base year quantities. Second, purchase. P01 is equal to summation P1 नीचे आएगा summation P0 नाल आएगा Q1 multiply 100. Paasche has assigned weights to the commodities on the basis of current year commodities, इसलिए Q1 ना चल रहा है. Next, third is Fisher's method. Fisher's method this is the best method in the use for the construction of weighted index number. Irving Fisher has assigned weights to different commodities on the basis of both the base year as well as current year quantities. And Fisher's formula is as follows: P01 is equal to under root summation P1 P0 नाल आएगा Q0 multiply summation P1 summation P0 Q1 multiply 100. In fact, Fisher's index is the geometric mean of Laspere and Paasche. That means कि जो फिशर का इंडेक्स है वो बेस्ड ऑन ज्योमैट्रिक मीन के उपर एंड ये सैटिस्फाइड करता है टाइम रिवर्सल एंड फैक्टर रिवर्सल टेस्ट दोनों. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ मैथड है डर्बिश एंड बाउलेस मैथड. Like Fisher, Dervish and Bowley has assigned weights to different commodities on the basis of current year and base year quantities both. In fact, Dervish and Bowley's index is the arithmetic average of Laspere and Pasteur index. That is P01 is equal to Laspere plus Pasteur index divided by 2. So, if we लिख सकते हैं P01 is equal to summation P1 P0 Q0 plus summation P1 summation P0 Q1 and divided by 2 multiply 100. Next is Marshall Edgeworth method. In this method, the sum of base year and current year quantities are used as weights. P01 is equal to P1 Q0 plus Q1 summation P0 ਨੂੰ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ Q0 plus Q1 ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ 100 ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਓਪਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਮੇਸ਼ਨ P1 ਨਾਲ Q0 ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕੀਤਾ ਸਮੇਸ਼ਨ P1 Q0 ਪਲੱਸ ਸਮੇਸ਼ਨ P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0 summation P0 Q1 multiply 100. Last is Calais method. In this method, on the basis of fixed quantity, different commodities are assigned weight. It is not necessary that quantity be related to base year or current year. And Calais formula is as follows: summation P01 is equal to summation P1 Q summation P0 Q multiply 100, where Q refers to quantity of some period, not necessarily the base year or current year. Calais method is also called fixed weight method. So fixed weight method भी किया जाता है. Next is second part of weighted index number is weighted average of price relatives method. Weighted index number is equal to P01 is equal to summation P weight divided by weight using arithmetic mean, where P is equal to P1 over P0 multiply 100 and W is equal to value in the base year. That is P0 Q0 or fixed weight. If the weighted geometric mean is used, when geometric mean used, then weighted geometric mean is P01. Weighted geometric mean P01 is equal to anti-log summation log P multiply weight divided by weight.